there is a force that turns this planet. There is a force that births stars from these wombs of fire that we call nebula, right? There's a power that brings trees from the soil, that brings rain from the clouds. And we can understand all of these things scientifically. We strip mysteries and unknowns and ignorance from the world every day. So there are so many beliefs that just add up to fairy tales that just don't match up with the knowledge that we have. But we as human beings are always seeking an expanded sense of self-identity. We're sort of unwilling to believe that we're just so many chromosomes and DNA strands and cells and atoms and organs and a brain and a brain that needs sucrose, right? It's one of the sugars, That's not enough for us. But we shouldn't be driven into the arms of made-up stories that came from a time when we just knew so little about the world compared to what we know now. But what you can say with integrity is that this force that keeps the planets spinning, that keeps them rotating around the stars, that keeps the moons rotating around the planets, we must be an expression of this same power. It doesn't mean that it has a name. It doesn't mean that it has intention. It doesn't mean that it has morality. But we are not discontiguous from our world. We are an expression of that same infinite, inexhaustible, eternal energy. The same power that turns this world is drawing these words out of my mouth in this moment. That must be inspiration enough. That must be consolation enough. Don't believe fairy tales. Believe in yourself. Believe in your total integration with this world.